Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Bybit step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to open your Bybit app, and you should have the Trust Wallet app also, and you should click the assets. After that, you should go to deposit, and once you are in here, you should click deposit crypto and just choose the crypto of your choice. And for example, just like this, and this is where you copy the address to deposit. So just copy that address, and once you are done, go to your Trust Wallet. Now once you are in your Trust Wallet, you should click the send button, and once you are in your Trust Wallet, just click the crypto of your choice just like this, and you should click send. And once you're in here, you should once you are in here, you should copy the address, and once that's done, you should click the amount or the crypto amount of your choice and just click next and confirm and anything else. And once that's done, the crypto will be transferring automatically. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful and see you in the next one.